All right, you all, this is a thing of beauty. I like the design. I love the uniqueness of this watch face, and it gives you exactly what you're looking for out of a watch face, right? So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at it. Now, the name of the watch face is called Digi BPW12. I love the design. I do love the way it looks in the AOD mode. The watch face is going to be interactive, but I like the design pattern in the background as well that really helps to bring this watch face out. The developer really stepped outside of the box with this watch face. Now, down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. I'm loving the font of the digital time. I'm loving the look. It's nice, it's bold, very legible. You get the day of the week and you get your date information at the top. And if you look around the bezel, you have shortcuts that you can go into. And most of you all love to go into your fitness. So if I can single tap, I can go right into that. Same thing with your weather. You're going to be able to get a task manager, set an alarm, everything you need in the watch face is here. You can make a phone call right from this watch face, heart rate information. I thought this was a nice look from the developer, something fresh, something different, something new. Hit me in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think of this watch face, right? But check this out. I'm going to double tap and I can go in and set a timer, but let me double tap right here and then I can go into my calendar. Now, let me double tap here. Check this out. I can change the color theme of the watch face as well. So depending on what you have on for the day, you got many different colors, many different designs to change to complement whatever you have on for the day. This is awesome, you all. I'm loving the look. The developer did a beautiful job with this watch face. Listen, don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Let me know if this is a watch face that you would download, or are you going to leave this one right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please don't forget, hit the like button on the way out, smash that notification bell, and do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life, have some fun, you all, and remember to be safe.